So hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. So today it's empties for the month of March 2019, and I'm sorry I didn't bring it the first week of April, but neither to say the least, it is here. And today I'm feeling oh so fabulous, and I'm sure you guys are like, okay Shola, your hair, what did you use on your hair? Well, on my hair today I only used two products, from wash day to styling. Two products alone. It's a product that you guys have seen me use over and over again. So I used two products. I used the Kadima African black soap and conditioner. This is my 100th bottle because I keep on using it over and over again. And then as a deep conditioner, I used the cocoa and mango butter hair mask as my deep conditioner, and I also use this also as my leave-in conditioner, and it worked as my styler also. So these two products are what I used, and yeah. Okay, let's start this empties video with shampoos. The shampoo that I finished off first was the Kadima clay wash. This is my, I don't know how many bottles. This is definitely a repurchase. You all wanted me to let you know if I'm gonna purchase it, what I think about it. So I'm gonna say this is very cleansing. It's a detoxifier. Let me say it detoxifies my scalp. It helps my scalp kind of restart itself. It's really good in putting nutrients, you know, in my hair also. So I have a video on it. Anything that I talked about today, if it has a video, you'll find it in the description area, and you also find it in the iCard that pops up there. So this is a Kadima clay wash. I also finished the Kadima African black soap conditioner, and you see I did have another bottle. So yeah, that one I'm working hard on it, but I use this works really well as a cleanser, clarifier. It's a very moisturizing shampoo. It is a repurchase again and again. Kadima is my boo. So moving on to deep conditioners. The deep conditioner that I finished is the Obia Natural Babassu Therapy Hair Mask. This is a repurchase. Yes, I will be buying this again. This works really good in my hair. It does have protein in it, so if I do want a little bit of protein, I will use this, or else I will always use my Kadima hair mask. This doesn't have protein in it, and it's very good for my hair. It softens my hair. I'm low porosity, so I don't need so much protein. So this takes a while to finish. I think it was my daughter who is high porosity that kind of finished this. So this is a repurchase for me. So now on to leave-in conditioner. I will start with what my oldest daughter used, Eniola. She loves Wig Out, and this is Wig Out Style Factor Wig Out leave-in conditioner. It's a spray, so she always likes it because she can spray her hair, and we looked for it everywhere. We couldn't find it. Then finally, a few days before Christmas, I found it in a store somewhere in the middle of nowhere, and I wrapped it up for her, and she was so excited when she got it for Christmas. If you want to see that opening of Christmas gift, you can click the iCard that pops up, and she had so much fun. So this for her is a repurchase. This for my younger daughter who is high porosity. Her hair laughs at it because it's just liquid. Her hair does prefer something thicker for a leave-in conditioner, so our hair would kind of soak up everything. You get what I'm saying? I also finished the Kadima leave-in conditioner. This is liquid. I love it. It contains different herbs like chamomile. You've seen it over and over again. Should I say anymore? This is always something. I actually stopped making my teas, and I stopped making my teas because this just was more convenient for me to just go and spray my hair like that. It was so much more convenient for me. Now, I will tell you something. Another leave-in that I feel that it should be mentioned, and unfortunately, I'm not going to repurchase it. This is the Eden Bodyworks Coconut Shea Leave-In Conditioner. It was okay. It was just okay. I have other things that work better for my hair, for my girls' hair, and this was just okay. We were just like, is it finished yet? Is it finished yet? Because I hate throwing away products unless the product is like really bad, cutting my hair and messing up my hair, then I'll throw it away. But this, where did I get this? This I got from a hair show, so I normally wouldn't pick it up. You can try it if you like coconut, but it just made our hair, it didn't give us the moisture that we wanted. Now, this is the Love Your Curls 1-in-1 Kinky. I used this for several months, I think 4 months, and it's finally finished. This was given to me by the brand, and yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm almost embarrassed to say I love it because, yeah, it's one of those products that is good for multi-purpose. If you know me very well, I'm very low maintenance in my life. I don't like drama. I don't like my hair to give me drama. And I find that with this, after shampooing my hair and conditioning my hair, if I want to just not use a leave-in, styler, whatever, this works really well for my hair. So this is the Lush Love Your Curls Step 3 All-in-One Repair, Hydrate and Style. It works really good. Yeah, the price is a bit up there. However, you can get it in smaller sizes. So they have smaller travel sizes that you can try out. Now, in terms of oils, I only finished one oil, and that is my almond oil. And I get my almond oil from my Indian store. I am going to purchase the almond oil from, I did order the almond oil on Amazon from Now Solutions because I use a lot of Now Solution. My daughter, when I'm tapping it, my daughter was like, ASMR. I'm like, girl, get away from my face. Anyway, so almond oil, how did I use the almond oil? Oh yeah, it's a repurchase because I already ordered it, but not this brand. This brand is Pure Almond. I prefer the other brand. This brand worked okay. This brand is from India, I believe. From UK, somewhere in UK. It's very common in Indian stores. I use this to remove my makeup, and I also use this for my hair. When I'm taking out my hair, if I just want a little bit of shine, I'll just take a little bit of it and just scrunch it into the areas that need shine. So I left the best for the last. I left the best for the last, for the best for the last, and that is, why am I showing you my collagen? This is my Nutrizen Multi-Collagen Protein. This is collagen that is 5 types of collagen. This has been a lifesaver. If you notice, I don't have a real protein treatment that I finished. This has a little protein in it, but I've been using this as my protein treatment. It's been helping my hair, it's been helping my skin, it's been helping my legs and my joints. Yeah, you guys always wonder what we wear. Today I'm actually coming in a nice outfit. Today's outfit of the day. Collagen, thank you. Collagen, thank you. It's so funny because every time my husband was like, you're looking younger every day. I'm like, oh, collagen. It's like, keep on drinking, no. So I ordered another one, and then I entered into a competition, and the company sent me another one because I won. I was one of the winners in the competition. So I have 2 containers. So we will be collagening our face all through the year of 2019. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I totally enjoyed it. Please feel free to subscribe and feel free to let me know which one is your favorite. Okay, talk to you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye. And please subscribe over there and also watch this other Empties videos, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.